Hey Foxes, welcome back to another video, and today I am mad. Like, you don't get how mad I am. So this person, they posted a lot of hate comments on my video. So, you're so much rarer than Fuzzy Beans, UWU. She, family friendly channel, right? She didn't even let you win. Oh yeah, pin me if you agree. So then, Fuzzy Beans doesn't family-friendly channel. I don't care. I'm not pinning you if he says she family-friendly channel. Then leave. Hey, I'm sorry that one of your friends didn't even let you win a giveaway, though you really tried. How does that make you feel, just leave already. Possum, I can get you a headdress and 2 black songs in a few minutes. No. I want a headdress and 2 black longs, but no, I choose friends over rares. But why? That's so dumb. I can be your friend. How about 15 black longs, 4 headdresses, magenta furry, and a beta hood if you say it. Fuzzy Beans is a silly. And I don't know why I put is silly. Oh, wait. Give me proof you have it. No, not till you say that she's rude, unrare, and stupid. You're rude, unrare, and stupid. Then here, on my other video, they posted another hate comment. You don't agree with me that Fuzzy Beans is family-friendly channel? Well, then go ahead and make a video calling me out. Oh wait, you're too chicken to do that, Guess what? I'm doing it now. I will. I'm not a chicken. Bye, Foxes. I'm sorry that I'm mad.